Hello and welcome to Building a Savings Plan That Works for You. Are you struggling to save money? Do you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck? Or maybe you're just looking to improve your financial health and build a solid savings plan for your future? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we will teach you the essential tools and strategies you need to build a savings plan that works for you. We'll cover everything from setting realistic goals, creating a budget, and finding ways to save money in your everyday life. We know that saving money can be a daunting task, especially when there are so many temptations around us. From expensive dinners out with friends to shopping sprees and weekend getaways, it's easy to get caught up in the moment and spend more than we should. But the truth is, saving money doesn't have to be hard, and it doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love. With the right mindset and a few simple strategies, you can build a savings plan that works for you and your lifestyle. Throughout this guide, we'll provide you with practical tips and advice on how to save money and stay on track. We'll show you how to create a budget that works for you and how to use tools and apps to help you monitor your expenses and stay within your means. We'll also share real-life examples of people who have successfully built their savings plans and the strategies they use to get there. So whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply to build an emergency fund, we're here to help you every step of the way. So, get ready to take control of your finances and build a savings plan that works for you. Let's get started. Step 1. The first step in building a savings plan is to define your financial goals. What are you saving for? Is it a short-term goal like a vacation or a long-term goal like retirement? Knowing what you're saving for will help you determine how much you need to save and how long it will take to reach your goal. It's important to set realistic goals and make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Step 2. Track your income and expenses. Once you've defined your financial goals, the next step is to track your income and expenses. This will give you an idea of how much money you have coming in and going out each month. There are several ways to track your expenses, such as using a budgeting app or spreadsheet. You can also review your bank and credit card statements to see where your money is going. Step 3. Analyze your spending habits. After tracking your income and expenses, the next step is to analyze your spending habits. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Look for patterns in your spending and see where you can make adjustments. For example, you may be spending too much on eating out or subscriptions you don't use. By cutting back on these expenses, you can free up more money to save. Step 4. Create a budget. The fourth step in building a savings plan is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. It should include your income, expenses, and savings goals. A budget can help you stay on track and avoid overspending. It can also help you prioritize your spending and make sure you're putting money towards your goals. Step 5. Automate your savings. Automating your savings is an effective way to make sure you're consistently saving money. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't forget to save and you won't be tempted to spend the money elsewhere. You can also set up automatic contributions to retirement accounts or other investment accounts. Step 6. Find ways to increase your income. If you're struggling to save money, finding ways to increase your income can help. This can include asking for a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or selling items you no longer need. By increasing your income, you can free up more money to put towards your savings goals. Step 7. Review and adjust your plan. Finally, it's important to review and adjust your savings plan regularly. Your income and expenses may change over time, and your goals may shift as well. By reviewing your plan regularly, you can make sure you're still on track and adjust your plan as needed. Congratulations on taking the first step towards building a successful savings plan. By learning and implementing the strategies outlined in this step-by-step guide, you have taken a big step towards financial freedom and stability. Remember that building a savings plan that works for you is a long-term commitment, and it requires discipline, patience, and consistency. But the benefits are well worth the effort. By saving money regularly, you can achieve your financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a big purchase. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Make saving a habit by setting aside a small amount of money each week or month, and gradually increase the amount as you become more comfortable with the process. Use the tips and techniques outlined in this guide to help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Remember, building a successful savings plan is not a one-size-fits-all approach. You may need to tweak and adjust your plan as you go, but that's okay. The important thing is to stay committed and keep moving forward. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your savings plan today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your savings journey.